If you were taught that history's greatest classrooms were filled only with men, this episode will surprise you. From Medina to Damascus, Fez to Baghdad, women taught imams, founded institutions, and advanced knowledge that still shapes our world. Welcome to the Hikma Hub. Today, real stories of female scholars who preserved Hadith, issued legal opinions, built learning institutions, and crafted the tools of astronomy. Their names deserve a place on our lips and in our libraries. Stick around to the end. There's a powerful way you can help revive these legacies today. Let's look at the roots of religious sciences. Aʿisha bint Abi Bakr, a scholar, teacher, and one of the most prolific transmitters of Hadith. Jurists and companions sought her counsel. Her home became a classroom, her memory, a library. Let's look at the contributions of al-Dardāʼ al-Sughra in the field of jurisprudence. In the Umayyad Mosque of Damascus, al-Dardāʼ taught circles including men, judges, scholars, seekers. Her sharp legal reasoning earned deep respect. Let's look at another notable contributor to the religion, Zaynab bint al-Kamāl, a Hadith authority. Centuries later in Damascus, Zaynab bint al-Kamāl dedicated her life to Hadith transmission. Students traveled for her ijazat, formal authorizations, strengthening the reliability of texts. Moving on to Aʿisha bint ʿAbd al-Hādī, a teacher of Ibn Hajar. Aʿisha bint ʿAbd al-Hādī taught the great Ibn Hajar al-Asqalānī. Her isnad became a prized link in Hadith scholarship. Female contributor in the field of institutions and law, Fāṭima al-Fihrī, an institution builder. In Fez, Fāṭima al-Fihrī invested her inheritance to establish al-Qarawiyyīn in 859. Moving on to another notable contributor, Fāṭima al-Samarqandī, a Hanafi jurisprudence. A Hanafi jurist and author, Fāṭima al-Samarqandī advised on legal rulings and is reported to have reviewed her husband al-Kasani's work. Her expertise shaped judicial decisions. Let's look into the field of mathematics, astronomy, and craft. Sutayta al-Mahāmilī, a mathematician. In 10th century Baghdad, Sutayta al-Mahāmilī contributed to arithmetic and algebraic problem-solving. Her family trained her rigorously. Her solutions circulated among scholars. Mariam al-Asturlābī, an instrument maker. Mariam al-Asturlābī in 10th century Aleppo crafted precision astrolabes, analog computers of the medieval sky, used for timekeeping and navigation. Let's dive into the field of education and leadership. One notable contributor was Nana Asma'u. In 19th century West Africa, Nana Asma'u organized women's education networks in the Sokoto Caliphate. Poetry, pedagogy, empowerment. Her model spread literacy and Islamic learning. What are the key reflections, the continuum? Can we take from this? Across centuries, these women preserved texts, trained scholars, built institutions, made instruments, and taught communities. Their scholarship wasn't an exception, it was a tradition. If these stories moved you, help restore them to the center of our collective memory. Comment with the name of a woman scholar you want us to cover next. Subscribe to the Hikma Hub for weekly episodes on the living legacy of Islamic knowledge. Share this video with a friend and keep the chain of transmission alive. Until next time, may your search for knowledge be blessed. May the peace of Allah be on all of you.